Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G35 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 87% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 391 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits peak brightness, HDR10 color quality. Support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 16 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core up to 2.2 GHz, powered by Unisoc T760 6 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.07 by 75.98 by 7.79 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options, midnight black, guava red, leaf green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, water-repellent design support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, and with NFC market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G35 has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €179. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G35 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.